Understanding Cable Maintenance, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cable maintenance. This might sound technical, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in conversation. Cable maintenance is made up of two words, cable and maintenance. Let's look at each word separately. A cable is a thick rope of wire or non-metallic fiber, typically used for construction, electricity, or telecommunications. Maintenance refers to the process of maintaining or preserving someone or something, or the state of being maintained. So, when combined, cable maintenance refers to the process of keeping cables in good condition. You'll often hear cable maintenance in contexts related to telecommunications, internet services, or electricity. For example, if your internet service provider is fixing or upgrading their cables, they might inform you that they're performing cable maintenance. It's a phrase commonly used in professional and technical settings. Now, let's practice using cable maintenance in a sentence. The internet company is doing cable maintenance this weekend, so we might experience some connectivity issues. Regular cable maintenance is essential to ensure uninterrupted power supply. Our team specializes in underwater cable maintenance for telecommunications companies. And that's a wrap on cable maintenance. Remember, it's all about keeping those important cables in good working condition. I hope this video has been informative and has added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.